Bible, Bible says that if someone comes to Christ, if he be in Christ, mm, what I don't even know Bible. If someone comes to Christ, the person is a new creation. But behold, I tell you, I say unto you, behold, I say unto you, if a woman goes to the salon, she's a new creation. What? Like, do you see? Do you see? I know I can't give you the full length, but see, it's not that long. It's up to my waist, bro. I'm going to walk you through the tutorial how she did it. She didn't do crochet, so I'm going to walk you through how she did it. And I can't move it too much because it's still paining me. But let's just tie it this way for the sake of the video. Let's just tie it. Hey, my microphone is showing. Thought I was hiding it, bro. Let's just go. Let's go and learn how she did it. I'm sure you want to know how she did this, right? So, but it's paining me all rough. It's paining me. Hey, do you see my hair is swollen? It's paining me. Oh, do you see the lines, the flatness?
Yeah, so this is the wig I used. I used this natural dread 20 inches, and I used the kinky beside it. That's what she used to wrap, the kinky on my right. That's what she used to wrap. But this thing is not crochet, it's not a crochet type. So I was wondering how she was going to do it. And here is me, my pangbe hair. My hair is very hard, and she had to blow dry it, and I was dying. But then she did it, and this is my hair now. I'll give you the cost and everything in the process, but she went ahead to part my hair into smaller sections and she braided. This is how it looks like. She just braided my own hair. So she just braided three with my own hair, but she didn't braid all the way to the end. She just braided if like just a small portion. And this is the whole thing after she braided everything. But make sure your lines are neat. Well, I don't think your lines even have to be neat. So, like I was saying, the natural dreadlocks is 20 inches, and 20 inches was too long. So I divided it actually. I did the work. I did part of the work. I divided it into two for her, and so this is how she's doing it. I don't know if you saw it well, but when she takes the natural dreadlock, she put it on my hair and then she starts wrapping it with a kinky. Just watch closely. She just put the lock on the hair on my own hair, and then she just take a small portion. You can see a small portion of the kinky, and then she just starts wrapping it. There's no crochet, nothing. She just starts wrapping it, and I wanted you to see the finishing. Just watch closely. Like I was saying, I'll walk you through the prices and everything. So with a natural dreadlock, one pack was 85 cedis, and so I bought two. That was 170, and then the kinky she used to wrap was 35 cedis. So the total was 205, and she took 120. So that was she took 120. So that's 325, right? That's like 325 is like $30. Do you people pay $30 for your hair, for the wig and everything? Because I feel this is so somewhere saying just $30, but it's not just 30 in Ghana. Yeah, so that is it. Just watch closely and you get what I'm saying. So she just wrap and wrap and wrap and wrap and wrap. She wraps to the end of my hair, my natural hair. So once she gets to the end of my natural hair, she just try to tie the kinky around the dreadlock, the natural dread, whatever, the wig, and then she just wrap her hand around it just to seal it. Basically that is very very easy and very very simple. I feel I can do the next one. I'm doing it myself, Charlie. Nobody's going to pay 120 to anybody. I'm doing it myself, or when my sisters come back from school, they are doing it for me. So you boy, if you are watching, I beg you are doing this for me, and make sure you watch this video, because you are doing this for me when you come back, or I'm doing it for them. Oh, and yeah, she said I can use the wig over and over and over, and you can use it till like 1,000 years. It won't do anything. So yeah, I think that's a plus. So this is where she got to the end of my hair, and then she's retwisting it back to the root. So just to get rid of the excess hair, she's just putting it around the hair, but it's not really necessary. Twisting, twisting, twisting. This she basically twisting it around my hair again. So yeah, like I was saying, you said you can use it over and over and over and over again. And so I think this is you know um although taking out 325, well, I don't know for you, but probably it's budget friendly, but to some people it's not. So if you can use the wig again, then the next time, and some was left, I used 1.5 pack. You see how she's doing it. This is just to seal the head so that it doesn't remove, the kinky doesn't remove. Just watch closely. I know I'm talking plain, but listen to my annoying voice, okay? So this is she putting it on the hair, and then she's just going to wrap the kinky around it. But please don't do it too tight, because as at 3 days time my hair is still hurting, like it's still paining me. Make sure you take your time, be gentle on the scalp, bro. And this is a very very good example of protective hair, because it actually protects your hair. She wraps your hair with a kinky that your hair doesn't show at all, like your natural hair doesn't show anywhere in the braid. It really protects your hair. So if you're looking for a good protective hairstyle, I think you should give this a try. If you are going to somewhere that's probably the weather there may break your hair or something, this is a very very good protective hairstyle. And she said I can keep it for 3 months. Yeah, like 3 months. I'm keeping this for like 3 months actually, bro. Nobody's ready to spend 320 on hair and keep it for 1 month. No, they're keeping it for 3 months. So, and you won't believe, guys, you won't believe what happened. So she said, I finished taking my. I was going to say I finished taking my video. I finished taking my video though, but she was like, when I took the last video, she was like, she didn't even know it was the last, but she was like, she doesn't like that. I was like, you don't like what? And she said she doesn't like the fact that I'm taking a video. It's not good when someone is working. We don't. I was like, we don't take video. It's not good to take video of her work. I was like, ah, ah, Africans, well, some Ghanaians and superstition, dear. Oh no, really? Like, is this not even a good advertisement for you? Like, if someone says, "Oh, it's nice," where did you do it? Under the comment section, won't I recommend the person to you? She was like, "No." I didn't even tell her I recommend anybody though, but she was like, "Oh, she doesn't like that. It's no good." I was like, "Why?" She said, "Oh, it's not good. It's not good to be taking. It's not good to have your I don't know, bro, but Charlie, well, me, I had finished taking my video and I have what I want for my audience. So I was like, okay, cool, and I just stopped taking the video. So this is my hair now. Just this is how it looks like. She went ahead to do all, and this is my hair, bro. It's paining me, but this is it. So yeah, I woke up not long ago, but I want to show you. I still can't move it like that much even after 3 days, but bro, this hair is given. It is. And so back to the woman. I don't think I'm ever going to that place again. I'll probably go and remove it because she said I can come back to remove it when I'm ready to take it off. So I'll just go and remove it and probably try another salon. But she is good. But bro, since we can't take video, but in this modern age, like in this age that everybody is holding camera everywhere, why don't you want to take? So those people that do videos of their work and put it on the social media too. And I wanted to ask her that if a new hairstyle come and she wants to learn, how does she learn? Or probably she goes to someone's teacher. Now that you can just take your phone and go to YouTube and watch. Well, my lips are dry. Let's not mind hair. So that is my hair, and thank you so much for watching this video. And thank you so much. I'm going to do a lot of hair. No, I'm not going to do a lot of. Let me know if you want hair videos. Okay, I'll do what you guys want. Let me know if you want hair videos. But I'm loving this. I'm really loving it. And I think I'll do 20 ways I style this thing if it becomes very
If it becomes less hurting, if it stop hurting, I'll style it in 20 ways and I'll show you guys. And we are going to be killing ourselves with styles, you know. Let me show you how it looks at the back. I don't know if you're getting it. Whoa. But this is how it looks at the back. I just styled it randomly. But this is how it looks at the back. I hope it showed you well. And this is it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Mwah.